Hey guys, it's your favorite, most humble, most exciting housemate, Ike. I'm back. You've been here before, so what brings you back? The thing that brings me back to Big Brother All-Stars this season is that I just want to show the world how much I've changed and how much I've grown. And the money, I mean, not too much has changed. That's my number one reason for being back, that cash. In 10 seconds, tell us where your life is right now. My life is in a pretty good place right now. Physically, I'm not the best I could be, but you know, I'm gonna hit the gym before the show starts and get myself right, and definitely in the house work out a bit. Mentally, I'm always mentally strong. I think I'm mentally fit right now. Honestly, I think that's even my advantage this season. My mentality has changed and I've grown mentally. I'm a lot stronger and I think I can handle a lot more, you know, emotional stress. Complete this sentence. This season, I'm definitely not playing. How far do you think you'll make it this season and why? This season, I think I have a pretty good chance of winning, you know, because of the fact that I've watched the show now and I understand, you know, a little bit more about what it takes to win, you know, but if I don't win, I definitely be top 5. But I'm just gonna pray every night for that dub. I need the cash. If I get in that #1 position, my life will just change. What is your strategy this season? This season, my strategy is to work well with others, be humble, you know, maybe cook a little bit more than I did last season. You know, basically connect more with others than I did before. But I wanna stay calculating. In the back of my mind, I haven't really changed. I'm really focused on, you know, the end and who's gonna get the prize money. You were in a formidable relationship in Pepperdam. Would you do it again? What were the pros and cons? I would definitely do it again. I think, you know, we all have to live life to the best we can, and you know, in the moment we make decisions, and that moment the decision felt right and I made it. I definitely would do it again. You know, I didn't regret it. But this season, no worry, no relationship, no nothing, only money day my eye. Any relationship you see, no worry, I didn't use her. So, what will you do differently this time around? This time around, I just want to connect with the housemates a little bit more closely, you know, make some long-term relationships and friendships. But my #1 focus this season is on the money and how to, you know, play the game in a way that people won't see me coming. I know people already kind of expect me to come through very vicious and you know, very calculating, but I don't think they expect how much I've really grown and how ready I am for this season. Which previous housemates do you not want to see in All-Stars? You guys all know who I don't want to see, but that's not out of my control. You know, I would dislike seeing my ex-partner inside the house just because I don't know how that would go. Me, I'm ready to be cordial and cool, but no worry, revenge is always cold, and I go Sevitz cold. How do you want to be remembered this season? This season, I want to be remembered as a person that really tried to entertain and really tried to have fun, but I have to be remembered as the winner. That's what I need. Message to your fellow housemates: watch your back, watch all your stuff, and watch me win. A message to yourself for this season: the money is what you're there for. You know, friendships is great, loyalty is great, but sometimes you gotta put yourself first. Yeah, I would have to keep reminding myself, put yourself first. It's Ike, I'm back on All Stars, and I'm ready to take the money home.
Big Brother Naija.